Oh, I'm still not over the cinematic treat that this film was. I think it was as intense as epic love stories can get, and I think it's just the camera, the visuals. It was poetry in motion, and Harsh and Sayami, guys, you were really, really, really special for your first film, and I think you guys are going to go a long way. So yeah, all the best. I think everybody has to go and watch
You
Messiah.
rising star as Tammy and Harsh.
Oh, absolutely. I think they were great for their first film, and like I said, Harsh is he's just phenomenal. He's so effortless and he's so easy, and I think that's one of the most unique things about him. That, and you can evidently see that in his first film. Obviously, he has Mr. Kapoor's blood running in his through his veins. So, but of course, has to be. But yes, he's somebody who's going to take the legacy forward. So I'm extremely, extremely, extremely happy for him. Thank you.
Thank you.
कैसी लगी आपको मिर्ची?
It's, I think, the most artistic film I have seen ever, I think, and breathtakingly beautiful. This is Rakesh's poem. It's poetry. It's absolutely stunning, beautiful. Harsh is here to stay. He's going to go a long, long way. इस फिल्म में कुछ 10 या 12 क्लोजअप्स हैं हर्ष के जो I saw those and I knew, I can tell that this actor is not here to say, look at me, I'm a star. He's one of the most self-assured actors I have seen. Very self-confident, and I think that's the new age. It's something that we have to learn. So very, very, very intense actor, and I'm dying to see his what he'll do in his next. The girl is beautiful. I could not take my eyes off her. And of course, the film, the camera work, everything. It's breathtaking. Really, really good.
कंगना ने जो कमेंट किया है कि that 43 years हो गए हैं लेकिन फिर भी आप डैडी का सहारा लेते हैं. Any comment you want to comment?
No.
Right. वायर संभालिए प्लीज आप.
It's lovely, it's lyrical, it's very poetic, it's very romantic, and it's beautifully shot. It's beautiful to watch. It's really like a poem. It's beautiful. Yes, actually, yes.
Oh, that's it. हो गया?
नहीं बस 22 मिनट.
Okay.
बोलिंग. जैकलीन, आपने मिर्जा देखी, कैसी लगी आपको फिल्म?
बहुत अच्छा लगा एक्चुअली. फिल्मों में आई थिंक हर्ष वाज ब्रिलियंट and it was, I mean, it was beautifully shot also. So it was like, for me, it was like a very beautiful treat to watch.
Okay, everyone is saying that Harshvardhan is here to stay. What is your comment?
Absolutely, he is. Harsh is definitely here to stay. I think he really proved himself in his first film, and I'm so proud that actually he chose to do a film like this, a role like this, because it's so different. And I think if this is his beginning, if this is what he started with, I can't imagine what he's, going to become and like what his future will be.
And what's keeping you busy these days?
Lots of things actually. I'm shooting with Sid right now for our untitled film, and also Jhalak, and then I'll be starting my next project, I think, by next year.
Jacqueline, there are many reports that Twinkle is not happy with you and Akshay working together, and that is the reason you both won't be seen together in future. So your comments to it.
I'm not going to answer such stupid, silly things. Please.
I'm just for the shot.
मैम शॉर्ट मैम शॉर्ट
Absolutely. Harsh is a star. He's a rock star. He's lovely.
And Jacqueline, Bookman has been trying to reach you since so many days.
Really? I don't know. Hi, Bookman. Now you got me.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.